Yeah, it's gonna be long. No, 2 hours, 25 hours or something. Go and get a drink and just relax. I guess. Yeah, guess what? Your colour, Dad, was blue on this. Look, when it was upside down, it was blue. Your t-shirt was blue.
Like a hole for it, or that's what I plan to do, yeah.
Yeah, and a little stick.
Yeah, I think that's what he is. I'm sweating my tits off already. Right, turn this off till we get there. Look at that, what's down here, massive hole. You are? Reservoir. Come on, Harry. Better stick there, mate. Look at that one. Ruth, stick there, mate. That looks nice, that one does. Here. That's it. Come on, I'm gonna get the hell. That's a sick stick, look at that. That's fucking a Gandalf one.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, my head. Right, go on, Gandhi. Don't know, someone's probably had that one and dropped it. See, onto my phone, Photoshop. Had it on my phone, all that. So it's good. Obviously, if you use it. Come on, Gandhi. Gotta stay on the side here, mate, because speedy cars. So we finally made it. That's it, showing your fucking ninja skills, mate. Right. I'm gonna try and find the steep bit. I think it's over there. See where they are. I'm already knackered from walking here. Yeah. Look, McDonald's has been here. Sweet curry sauce. This is your idea. No, it's your idea. I believe in you. Okay, that's a long tree.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me.
Come on, run! Let's figure out how to walk.
No, I have your back right now.
You're knackered already. I need you to go so I can go up as well.
heavens crying above me. The gain's an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like
We'll get there at some point.
again and again.
You are?
Went to hell, scared to death, but I keep fighting with each living
Not far, mate.
breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for now you're gone.
Wait, we'll grab a few of his logs, take them home.
Turns you get better.
So you'll carry them, wouldn't you? We'll ride on them. It's like fucking Blair Witch, isn't he? He stands in the corner.
Next
Right,
time
come on.
we've got a Blair Witch right there.
Right, come on.
Bill, we're going to be leaving you, so come on.
Next hill. What is it? Right, so I found out that the batch don't last amazingly long. But nearly there. Fucking mad heads. Nah. It's sweating. Yeah, it's like my fucking tits after all. That's for fucking June. In a minute. Yeah, bro. Get up, man. Are we? Would have been a long time ago if you didn't keep stopping. We're not at the top. We're not at the top till we touch the post. Look at that.
Look at that tractor, you can see it's so clear from there.
Look with your eyeballs. You are? Right, come on, we haven't completed it till we touch the top.
What do you mean? We have to touch the top of the tower?
That white thing.
Hell no, Dad.
Need to somehow tuck these wires in. We're trying to climb the hill, I think. I'm going to try to get a fucking signal. Nice up here. Nice day. Tomorrow's going to be fucking pissing down, you can guarantee. For anyone who's never been up here, it's well worth the walk. What a fucking view, eh? This is the top, really.
I know, it's like windy as well.
Yeah, the cliffs are all there, so I can get a view of it.
protein. Here's some protein.
See, it's saying my battery level's nearly.
Anything in there? Oh, that's no protein.
Anyway, you check. Right, what time is it? You are? Has it? We need to get down the hill straight to Comicon. Here we are again. Who's crying? He's got a bad back. I want to sit down. To be honest, it feels worse going down, doesn't it? Because your legs feel like fucking jelly. You alright? Lean back. What that is? Whoa. Lost him. Come on, Roo. How close we can get to this. To the airplane, eh? I can see it. It's like super wide, isn't it? Here he is.
I tripped again.
You are?
I tripped again. Oh no! Bill, we got a turn!
Oh, hey, where's this water come from? So we finally made it.
I've been hurt the most today.
Rue's in danger. His leg nearly fell off.
And I've been stung by a nettle trying to get down my
Nettle, did you get attacked, did you?
Yeah.
This gang of nettles chase you. Look at the cliffs there, we have to go up there soon, won't we?
Hell no, Daddy, I'm not going up there. Hell no.
Why not? Let's do it now if you want.
Yeah, but I'm bleeding.
What were your details on that phone numbers so you didn't lose it?
He's got to race, like,
Yeah. But say change all that, otherwise you'll just take it back and set it on again. I'm here. Made it into it. Comicon. Billy's fucking looking for Pokemon cards. The same thing over and over. Oh, what's this? Stickers. No, they're bastards. I want fucking Ghostface. Cabbage Patch Kids. Oh, garbage. Mystery tins. Oh, that's you go. Gyarados there, look. 20 quid he is. Rainbow. There, look. Rainbow ones. What you got?
The red Gyarados.
Oh, they are, they're actual comics as well. Framed. With a decent frame as well, that is. It's about a £10 fucking frame.
Sure, I have that.
That's all the one, that is. Batman. Is this here, Bill? That's right, look. Pokemon cards, I think. Oh, what's that, look? Very good, oh, look. Pennywise. Chucky dolls, look.
Cross-eyed for his He was dedicated to the cause.
E.T. and his wig.
On the back.
Sorry, love. you reckon they sell Funko Pops here?
What do you mean?
But prices, be careful with that, 'cause it's heavy. I think they're just replicas, mate.
It's nice, the piece making, isn't it?
Yeah, they do look nice. Could be like on a stand, wouldn't they?
We are doing potato chopping.
Fucking hell. Right, this is day 2. Lou seems to have bought a knife from Comicon yesterday. So he wants to chop a fucking potato. Here we go. I'm doing this once. I run out of potatoes otherwise. I need these. You know, it's the first time, yeah? Here we go. Samurai. We'll be careful with that. Poke me in the eye. Well, that went to plan, didn't it? Quick, pass it here, quick. Before this video takes 5 years. Don't do that, that's cheating. Use your hands. Take 2. Okay, take 2. Hang on, quick, pass it here, fam. Just pick it up, chuck it to me.
Attempt 3.
You just do it, you do it. Go on, you put it in the end, just do a chop and do it forever. This ain't going to plan, is it? Attempt, start, yeah. Attempt number 1. Attempt number 1.
Again.
Bloody hell, this is gonna. Oh, that'll turn into a bag of chips in a minute, that will. Got a mashed potato on the floor. I've been. Oh. I thought you were good at this. You're a phony, aren't you? I'm running out of battery in a minute, we're already in 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Oh, well, that was it, that's it. Potatoes are in. That was it. Bravo, bravo. Right. Say goodbye, Roo. 50 grand, I think they have potatoes.